Make a great choice today with the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, engine immobilizer, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.